Welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and welcome aboard the Sea Ray 21 SPX. This is going to be one of the newer models. It's going to be the 2024 with the new redesign. So up here in the bow, it's going to come to more of a point. Going to give you some deeper gunnels because it is a self-bailing cockpit. And that's just technical terms for any water that comes into the boat, whether it be rain or you do take a wave over the bow. It's going to rush to the back and off the boat rather than going into your bilge. So it's going to be a very convenient solution for you to have in the rain in different situations and keep that bilge nice and clean from runoff water that would go into it. Here in the bow, you will have nice deep seating, and it's a little bit longer than in years past. So I am a little over 6'3", and I have plenty of space to sit, lounge out, and another person can do that right next to me as well. Up in the bow, every seat also has a handrail to keep the passengers nice and safe inside the boat. This model is going to be a well-equipped model. We'll have the optional sports tower to give you access to wakeboards and all of your other towing needs that you'd want to get a little bit more air on. The dash has also been redesigned, so it's standard with a SIMRAD. You'll have your Fusion radio and then all of your switches off to the right. You'll have your two direction leaning chair here at your companion seat, so you can have it in the back to watch all of your tubers, and when it comes time to drive you can just push it forward to face forward. Have a nice footwell right here. Up underneath the seat you will have your cooler here. You have a nice section here for where we have the bimini, and then great access in here. You'll have your dual batteries and then a 250 horsepower Mercury. This is going to give you plenty of speed and agility while out on the water, and also give you nice reliable power. If you close this, you can then walk through onto the swim platform where we have two nice additions for 2024. Right here you will have a nice door that covers your swim ladder. It's going to be nice to give you a nice flat platform. And then next to it is our submersible swim step. When the drive is not in the up position, this will fold all the way back, and this will allow you to be in the water a couple inches. If you have a bad knee, you can kind of crawl out of the boat versus climbing that ladder. And a nice big sun platform back here to kind of sit and watch everybody in the water. We'd love to show you this boat in person, so please give us a call today to come see this boat.